You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this San Francisco journal, as well as how to say more confusing names, including from California. That's the name of a place in California, if you believe it or not. Zyzzyva. Zyzzyva is how it's said. It's based in San Francisco, a magazine based in San Francisco. It's also the name of an insect from South America. Zyzzyva. And now you know more videos for you here to learn more. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.